Hello everyone. We're going to work on a text in this lesson.
Aircraft technicians solve technical problems in the hangar through a systematic process. They begin by diagnosing the issue, which often starts with a pilot's report or a warning light on the dashboard. They read maintenance manuals, check computer logs, and use diagnostic equipment to understand the problem's source. After diagnosis, they develop a plan of action. This involves finding the correct replacement parts and gathering the specialized tools needed for the job. Finally, they perform the repair, carefully following strict procedures to replace faulty components or fix a damaged system. They work with precision and pay close attention to safety standards, double-checking their work to ensure every part is correctly installed. When the repair is complete, they conduct a final inspection and test flight to confirm the plane is airworthy and safe for passengers and crew. This careful and methodical approach ensures the highest level of safety in aviation.
Well, this is the basic maintenance process. First step, report. A problem is reported. The second step, diagnosis, diagnosing the issue. Third one, planning. Fourth, action. And fifth one is cleared for flight. We have comprehension questions on this slide. Let's start. What's the main idea of the passage? As you know, main idea is the most general idea of the text or the paragraph. It covers the whole passage. So, the main idea here is C. Aircraft technicians follow a step-by-step process to diagnose and repair aircraft issues. Because the whole passage is about the process from beginning to the end. Well, the second question, which word is the closest synonym of strict in the sentence? Following strict procedures. Easy, flexible, and weak are negative in this context. So, tight is the synonym of strict here. We go on answering the questions. What do technicians do after diagnosing the problem? To answer this question, we find the sentence starting with after diagnosis or after diagnosing the problem. Okay. When we find that sentence, we also find the answer. Gather the tools and parts needed for repair. And the last question, why is it important for technicians to double-check their work? We can answer this question by reading the last two sentences. Okay. And the answer is to ensure safety and correct installation. That's all for this lesson. See you then.